Hi, this is my recap for today. This is XPV. We can see at the left of the screen the stock was very extended. So I was expecting this for many days. I took the VWAP reversal at 36.50, 60, sorry, with 15-cent stop. Took partial at the previous low. That is the logical point to take the first partial. Then took three more partials at 39.20, at 39 and 38.45. I was planning to for more continuation, but this green strong candle took me suspicious, so I didn't add to the trade. This was a $1 trade with 15-cent stop. This strategy, as you can see the recaps, is working very well for me, and thanks to Ad for helping me to find this strategy. Thanks.